see, system is out completely. It's not an easy job struggling to get it out. So we took it out. It's not that easy. So now we have to bring that other one out. It's not easy getting this one out. Getting all this thing up. Yeah. Unless you guys come up a little bit. Guys, here's how we put this system. That's the finish. We tape it nicely, so now we can go ahead and put the coil.
Let's go, let's go!
Take the soda. You can see after brazing everything, look at how it looks. Everything looks spectacular, so we can go ahead and do the wiring, but first we have to uncut it. So you saw how we went about it. Alright. Put the nitrogen inside to see whether it could hold pressure. It's about 10-15 minutes now and it hasn't moved. So we know that it's holding pressure. So we can go ahead and take the nitrogen out and put a vacuum pump to vacuum it. Meanwhile, I'll be doing the electrical. I took out the cover. This is what is inside, so I have to connect the power. Okay. Guys, this is the job. You can connect. You first connect the ground. Connect the voltage, which is the 120. Yeah. I'll do this for the next one as well. Then you connect the thermostat wires. As you can see, we are doing the vacuum at the same time. At the same time, we are doing the wiring. See? Go ahead and put the insulation around it nicely. Nicely the thermostat wire. I can connect it to the stuff wire now because everything is tied here. It's just 2 wires for straight AC, so you don't need to click yourself, you know. Just these 2 wires, the blue and the yellow. That's all. Now you wire it nicely, then you can go ahead and put the cover. Guys, we need to do vacuum, so we still vacuum. At least we need about 2 hours or an hour and a half. An hour is fine. Once you do it, we can be checking to see. You turn it on. See, right? Let's follow us on Vandosh RPC and we'll give you more of our videos as we go there. The tongue gum around here to prevent any leak coming out of this thing. All the fittings and everything has been connected. Yeah, the gas line has been connected, the wiring has been done. So it's time for us to charge the system and done. In our next episode, guys, I'll show you how to do the wiring when it comes to the system. It's a long process, but we'll get there. Just follow us on Vandosh RBC so that anytime we get a video, we bring it up to you. Finally, this is the finished product of Vandosh RBC, and you can see everything has been nicely installed. Everything is working spectacular, nicely, and you can see this is a beautiful handy job by Vandosh RBC. Just follow us, comment and share. This is a beautiful job that we just finished, done by Vandosh RBC. Sorry we couldn't give you more of a tutorial on this installation, because it's a very difficult job, and you know I have to do the videoing and everything, and it's like my hand's supposed to hold the stuff. Guys, just stay tuned. Watch Vandosh RBC, and anytime we get video, we'll bring it to you. And also most of the steps of installation and other stuff, we'll bring it up to you. This is Vandosh RBC. Just try and share, try and subscribe, so that anytime we get a video, we bring it to you. And thank you for watching our channel. Bye.